Hey man, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Jimmy, man. Back at it again with another Hybe loyalty unboxing video, man. And today, man, we will be unboxing our 10th Hybe loyalty unbox, man, for checking in 10 times in a row on Hybe. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because in the future I will be doing Hybe giveaways, man, and you don't want to miss it. So yeah, man, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Man, today, hopefully, I get something good and something designerful, man. I want maybe a Gucci belt, a Louis belt, a Fendi belt, a Rolex watch. Man, I want a diamond chain, man. I want something that'll really up my drip level, man. I want to be drippable, man. You already know what I'm saying, man. I want to be drip, drip, drip down with this Hybe stuff. But hopefully, like, I don't get a sticker. Hopefully, I don't get nothing in those areas. But, man, yeah, man, I want something good because I've been on the real grind for this stuff. Man, I've been unboxing this stuff every day for 10 days. Hopefully I get something great, man, because I deserve it, man. Because I've been logging in every day for 10 days straight, man. I should get something great. I deserve something designerful. Hey, I got a Jordan's keychain, man. Hey, man, that's worth it, man. So yeah, thanks for viewing this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe like I said earlier because sometime in the future I will be doing Hybe giveaways, man. And yeah, man, it's your boy Jimmy signing out. And I will also it's your boy Jimmy signing out, and I will also